How to crossplay Overcooked to PS4 and PC. For this, go ahead and open up a browser and search for your Steam account and make sure to log in. Make sure that you have purchased Overcooked 2. Now in the Overcooked 2, you don't have the feature to actually crossplay. However, you will be needing the Overcooked Edition version. However, we doubt that you can actually crossplay between PS4 and PC, but you can actually play using your PS4 console and your Xbox console, or if you are trying to play on your PC, you can crossplay between your PC and Luna, but you simply cannot go ahead and crossplay Overcooked 2 on your PC and your PS4. So if you want to invite or play with a friend, there is an option to easily tap on the person icon where you can just tap on it, then simply add the username or the player tag of your friend with whom you want to play the Overcooked 2. But make sure that both of you are online and use the same version or edition of Overcooked. And also make sure that you either play using your console or your PC and Luna, but do not try to crossplay because it will simply not allow. So in this case, we cannot do anything on our end, but we can hope for an update from Overcooked 2. And that's all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.